machiegni kendo jalupo gai bad migao nindo mar doho manindo jang'ad bura Philomena Mwilu krosingo mar neno ni orakruok koda wechege mag mibadhi magie kinde nindo goyo tacha e doho mopogore opogore to molo doho nindo mamalo ka otwak Naivasha yangu ni nitiere jong'ad buche moko mosebedo ka kawo mibadhi kaachiel koda mit bile mar mondo mi ging'ad buche motenore nyakonchiel kama bende oyango kanyiendo ni nitiere ng'eto moko ma doho osegolo ma ok ni kare kendo sa osechopo manyaka koro tim nondo kendo kawo ndamo mager ne jong'ad buche ma kamago iko oyango ni gie kinde niende kamisen manono chendo go mag doho manendo Judicial Service Commission gie kinde niende koro chako chendo mar goyo kogno kaachiel bende koda timo nondo ne jong'ad buche machalo kamago iko mowacho ni nyaka koro luw godo dwaro mar chik.
Harmful customary practices or long travel distances to court may present the greatest barriers. When I worked
this year's theme, protecting vulnerable women and children and strengthening judicial intervention for access to justice, is both timely and deeply consequential as it resonates directly with the judiciary's vision of social transformation through access to justice, the STARJ. At the heart of the STARJ is a profound recognition that justice must be people-centered, inclusive, and responsive to those who are most vulnerable. Cases involving gender-based violence, child neglect, custody battles, and inheritance disputes are among the most emotionally charged matters that come before us on a daily basis. They carry with them broken families, traumatized children, and survivors seeking not just a verdict, but a restoration of dignity. As leaders within the High Court, we must therefore be deliberate in how we respond. We must strengthen victim-centered approaches within our court processes, ensure the timely and efficient resolution of cases involving vulnerable persons, deepen collaboration with stakeholders across the justice sector, and safeguard our courts as spaces that are safe, accessible, and responsive to all who seek justice. Strengthen our judicial intervention and enhance access to justice where it matters most. It is a deliberate pause for the High Court to reflect on its journey, assess how it has advanced access to justice for the vulnerable, reflect candidly on the gap between promise and practice, and to determine with urgency and resolve what must be done. I have been in office for 3 years. During those 3 years, we have had 2 bunch of judges, 20 judges, another 20 judges, and by God's grace, next week or next month, we'll get 24 judges. What Kenyans want here, these judges we are getting, is there a difference? Are we making difference for the people of Kenya?
we have supported 4 million marginalized women and girls in accessing justice. This support has been actualized through implemented initiatives, both individually and collectively, with other partners, including the judiciary. Despite significant work done, coupled with progress in our legal aid and institutional frameworks, the reality for many women and girls still remains deeply concerning. Across women and girls in Kenya continue facing barriers to access to justice in terms of accessing courts, including issues of costs, the distance, and even the stigma for gender-based violence victims and survivors. Number 2, the delays in the resolution of cases. Number 3, the challenges in enforcing court orders. Indeed, for many survivors that we've attended to of gender-based violence, and for many children in vulnerable situations, the justice system can be can feel distant, can be very intimidating, at times even out of reach. This in
knowing our country and where we've come from, to talk about